Okay, everyone, so I know there's a lot of videos. I just want to make sure everybody understands what each activity is. So this week you have 4 paintings, okay? You have the complementary color painting. You're going to do this monochrome painting. And then you have your 2 color scales, the gray scale and then the color of your choice. Now, I would suggest that you, let me grab the color scale, that you do your monochromatic painting of the same color that you did your painting scale with. So ideally, if you did a blue painting scale like this, you're just going to use those colors to now create a painting, okay? So your monochrome painting scale, like whatever color you chose, red or blue, you can now use your understanding of that and some of the colors that you probably already mixed to create this painting. So this is just the drawing that I did in the other video where I was using my ruler, making intersecting lines. I drew a little too dark, but you can just go over the whole thing with an eraser to make it a little lighter. But as you see on my palette, I still have the orange from my complementary color painting, but just ignore the orange, and I'm just going to use the blue. So this whole painting will be tints and shades of blue. So the tints are all of the blues that you add white to, and the shades are all the blues that you add black to. Okay? And then that's it. So again, overlap your shapes, intersect, go off the edge, and you're going to fill the entire page. So none of this white from the paper should be visible when you're done. And you can create patterns of colors if you'd like. Like here, I'm doing blue that is straight from the tube here. I'm just going to move a little quick so I can kind of show you what I'm talking about. So it's a little messy, but I can always go back and clean it up. And then I'm going to mix a little black with it. And I'm going to do the black and the blue here and here. And then I'm going to do the regular blue there. So it creates a little bit of a pattern. Okay? So this is my really, really dark blue. Okay. I'll do that up here as well, fill in that whole arch. So you can see it's getting lighter because of the water. So I'm just going to want to make that nice and even. So you can even wait for that area to dry before you go back over it. And then I can add the straight blue here. Okay, so now I have like a pattern of a few different blues. I can clean my brush off. I can add some blue with the white. And again, you are not mixing the blue, the white, and the black together. You are just mixing black with blue and white with blue. Okay? You're not doing all 3 of them together. Okay? So just be sure to remember that. Okay, so you can start to see the painting is coming together. And of course, like it's a little messy here, but what I'm going to do as it dries, I can go in with like more paint, less water, and just clean up the edges of the shapes. Okay? So this would be my monochromatic painting. I hope this is helpful, and again, I will go over it again in class.